afternoon, everyone. I'd like to welcome you all to the Emerging Trends and Technologies Network. Ooh, it's a lot of words, right? So we have our Engineer of the Year award we're giving out today. And so I'm going to read you a little script about the recipient of the award, and then I'm going to tell you who he really is, okay? So here's the script part. He's coming in hot. Like, he literally just parked the car, he got off a 7,000-mile road trip, which is the inspiration for receiving this actual award. Didn't know that, but it turned out to be the case. Your brakes may still be on fire, sir. So anyway, here's the script. So today we are honored to recognize someone whose career has truly embodied innovation, collaboration, and passion for engineering. His journey began as a race fan with a dream, and that dream carried him from the classrooms of Cal Poly SLO to the engineering teams behind some of the industry's most beloved vehicles, including the original Mazda Miata, the RX-7, and the MX-6. Over the years, Dean's helped shape the future of performance and technology at Mazda, Ford, Nissan, and others, working on electric vehicle programs long before EVs were even a part of the everyday conversation. But what makes him truly stand out is his ability to bridge both worlds. He connects engineers, racers, students, and the media to move the industry forward, which is a huge part of ETTN's mission. So through his work with SAE International and ETTN, he helped us to create the ETTN-SAE Career Fair, which is now in the 4 digits. What do we mean by that? That means we have thousands of students who have come to know the automotive performance industry because of that connection and the hard work of Dean into the automotive aftermarket. His impact can be felt not just in the cars we drive, but in the next generation of engineers that he has inspired. He continues to champion innovation, his mentorship, and collaboration across every part of our industry. So please join me in congratulating a lifelong advocate. So this is kind of a lifetime award, an award for a lifetime of hard work. The SEMA ETTN Engineer of the Year, Dean Case. Come on up, sir. He is officially retired now. Check this out.
Thank you.
Yeah, it just went to PRI. Hang on. There we go.
We're gonna let him say a word. Go ahead, Dean.
Yeah, it was a fun road trip. Thanks to everyone at SEMA, PRI, and my friends at Motivo for the support on this. It's been a blast. The fact that we've been able to create things that have benefit to the students and industry has been wonderful, and we're hoping to take that further. And we're going to talk about that a little bit at 2 o'clock, because companies can tap into an amazing talent pool that's beneficial to lower the average age at most races, and proving that young people really do care about cars in the industry. So thank you for this honor.
Thank you, Dean. Give him a round.